Russia has released footage which they claim shows some of their attack helicopters conducting electronic warfare. The footage allegedly shows a pair of Russian Mi-8 attack helicopters taking to the sky before they are seen traveling close to the ground over countryside somewhere in Ukraine. The images then appear to show them at a higher altitude just above the clouds, before they are again seen lower in the sky as they come into land. Mi-8 helicopters are used by the Russian military as transport vehicles, as well as mobile command posts, gunships, and for reconnaissance purposes. The images were obtained from the Russian Ministry of Defense on Monday, 27 June, along with a short statement claiming that the images show the work of the crews of Mi-8 helicopters with modern electronic warfare systems installed on board, with servicemen using the modern electronic warfare systems at maximum altitude. The Russian MOD also claimed this allows for the greatest coverage of the area of electronic impact on anti-aircraft missile systems and enemy aircraft, making it impossible to detect objects and direct guided missiles of the air-to-air, ground-to-air, and air-to-ground classes. Russia invaded Ukraine on 24th February in what the Kremlin is still calling a special military operation. Today marks the 174th day of the invasion. The General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine reported that between 24 February and 27 June, Russia had lost about 35,000 personnel, 1,500 tanks, 3,600 armored combat vehicles, 771 artillery units, 243 multiple launch rocket systems, 101 air defense systems, 217 warplanes, 184 helicopters, 636 drones, 137 cruise missiles, 14 warships, 2,500 motor vehicles and fuel tankers, and 60 units of special equipment. At least 14 missiles have hit the Ukrainian capital Kyiv, according to Ukrainian officials. The strikes come as G7 leaders meet in Bavaria in Germany for a 3-day summit. Military support for Ukraine is at the top of the agenda. The G7 is made up of Germany, France, Italy, Japan, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States.